Yeah, flexible, of course, but uh, what does the flexibility means? Is it the flexibility of the body or the flexibility of mind? So yoga is the flexibility of mind. Mana prashamana upayaha. Samatvam yoga uchyate. Yoga karmasu kaushalam. So here, nowhere the definition of yoga as such brings the flexibility of body here. Body should become lighter, you know. So when Patanjali talk, what he talks about asana is stiram sukham asanam. You should have sukha there. Whatever you do, you should have a kind of ease, but not too much of flexibility, which Patanjali have emphasized. And also in Hatha Yoga Pratipika, if you see, he says vapu krishatvam. Your body should feel lighter. So how does it look externally is not matter, but it should feel lighter, give you a comfort. That is more important. And yes, the asanas can improve your flexibility also eventually. You know, the benefit of asana is it can make your body become strong like a diamond. Vajradabi katorani, strong like a diamond, hard like a diamond. And also it makes your body flexible like a flower. You know, mruduni kusumadapi. So when it comes to Krishna's body, that is what it mentions in Srimad Bhagavatam, that Krishna's body is hard like a diamond. So when he goes to fight with Kamsa, Chanura, and all this Mushtika, he did the Malla Yuddha. So his body was, though he was young at that age, he had the robustness of the body which is required, Vajradabi Katora. At the same time, when he was playing with the gopis, the Rasa Leela, or when he was with the gopas and doing the wonderful Krida Yoga and all those things, he had the flexibility, the softness of a flower. So Mriduni Kusumadapi. So asanas will definitely give you the flexibility, but it may not be the same equal amount of flexibility for everybody at the same time. You know, it depends on various factors. You know, for somebody, it depends on what by their inborn body attunement is there. It can be a reason for that. So various factors are also there. Ekdam you can't achieve the flexibility, but definitely by kramena, by doing regular practice of asanas, it can improve your flexibility. So you should, I don't say that you should have flexibility to start yoga. No, but doing yoga asana, especially, it will improve your flexibility of the body. And moreover, what more is important according to the traditional concept of yoga is the flexibility of mind, which is more important. And yoga gives you that, the flexibility of mind.